You guys, so I bought this Never Break parts. It's for the IGLOO Cooler replacement, and it's for the 25 to 165 quart coolers, which we have right here. And I want to point out that it has 2 hinges and 8 stainless steel screws. So you do have the hinges right here. You have the stainless steel screws right there. And I want to show you what happened. You guys, after like enough use, these kind of like break, and I have all 3 of them broke. So I went ahead and bought this replacement on Amazon. So all we have to do is unscrew all these screws right here, and then screw them in with the replacements. And these are very sturdy, so these are going to be good to go once replaced. I'll show you guys how it is, but let me lift one more time, and you guys, it's just straight up broken. You guys can see how simple it is. All you have to do is slap the hinge on and just screw it in. Nothing crazy. You guys can see this one is a lot thicker than the last one. I mean, the last one, I mean, it is broken, but you guys can see where it goes real thin, and this one is thick, and that's why this one lasts a lot longer. So we now have it on, and so we put it on both the outside since it was just a 2-pack, and then we took the middle one out. So now it's good to go. Let me show you guys. We just open, close it. It is good.